Decode HTML entities in Python string. I'm parsing some HTML with Beautiful Soup 3, but it contains HTML entities which Beautiful Soup 3 doesn't automatically decode for me. How can I decode the HTML entities in text to get 682 million pounds instead of n pound, 682m?
Python 3.4 plus. Use html.unescape. FYI, html.parser.heightmoparser.unescape is deprecated and was supposed to be removed in 3.5, although it was left in by mistake. It will be removed from the language soon. Python 2.6 to 3.3. You can use heightmoparser.unescape from the standard library. For Python 2.6 to 2.7 it's in heightmoparser. For Python 3 it's in html.parser. You can also use the 6 compatibility library to simplify the import.
Beautiful Soup handles entity conversion. In Beautiful Soup 3, you'll need to specify the convert entities argument to the Beautiful Soup constructor. See the entity conversion section of the archive docs. In Beautiful Soup 4, entities get decoded automatically. Beautiful Soup 3. Beautiful Soup 4.
Beautiful Soup 4 allows you to set a formatter to your output. If you pass in formatter equals none, Beautiful Soup will not modify strings at all on output. This is the fastest option, but it may lead to Beautiful Soup generating invalid HTML, XML, as in these examples.
You can use replace underscore entities from w3lib.html library.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.